Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to create AI-powered quizzes for lead generation. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create AI-powered quizzes for lead generation, then you need to first of all choose an AI quiz platform like AppyPie. So once you have selected any of the quiz platforms, you can simply go and tap on it. Once you have been there, you need to define your goal. You need to clearly understand what you want to achieve with the quiz. After this, you need to input your content. Simply provide the AI with your website URL, a PDF document, or a raw text related to your topic to inform the AI. Now use the AI for ideas and customize the quiz. Simply select the design, add branding elements, and then set up lead capture. You can simply add a lead capture form or place it strategically. After this, you can configure results and then test and publish. Once this is done, you can promote and nurture leads as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.